Hello and welcome to ftmartini.se. Today we're going to talk about wireless CarPlay. If you have an older generation radio system, this is the dongle for you as you've seen before. But now you have the newer generation radio system, we have a new dongle to get your wireless CarPlay activated on your car. And now we're going to show it to you on this 2020 Q7.